English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
The room was silent, too silent. Adam sat alone, at his desk, staring at his phone. His heart was beating fast. His hands were cold. He read the message again. Final exam tomorrow, 8 a.m. This is your last chance. He froze. Tomorrow. Not next week. Not next month. Tomorrow. Only 24 hours left. For months, Adam had lied to himself. I still have time. I will start tomorrow. I am tired today. Tomorrow. But tomorrow had finally arrived. And he was not ready at all. He looked at his books. They were clean, untouched, like strangers. Fear slowly entered his heart. He imagined failing. He imagined disappointment. He imagined being left behind, while everyone else moved forward. A painful voice inside him whispered, "It's over. You wasted your chance." Adam closed his eyes. Regret filled his chest. But then, another voice appeared. Quiet, but strong. It said, "You still have 24 hours." Adam opened his eyes slowly. 24 hours, 14:40 minutes. Enough time to fight. Enough time to change. Enough time to become someone new. He stood up. His body was weak, but his decision was strong. He opened his book and began. The first hour was painful. His mind resisted. His body wanted rest. His phone called him. His bed called him. Comfort called him. But Adam refused. He continued, hour after hour. Something began to change. His fear became focus. His pressure became energy. His pain became power. For the first time, Adam was not escaping. He was fighting. Night came. The world was sleeping. But Adam was awake. His eyes were tired. His back hurt. His body begged him to stop, but his soul refused. Because something new was born inside him. Discipline. At 3 a.m., he wanted to quit. At 4 a.m., he almost stopped. At 5 a.m., he continued. Because he knew this was not just an exam. This was his transformation. Morning arrived. 8 a.m. The exam room was cold and silent. Adam walked inside. But he was no longer the same person. Yesterday, he was weak. Yesterday, he was afraid. Yesterday, he was asleep. But today, he was awake. The exam paper was placed in front of him. His heart beat fast. The questions were difficult, very difficult. But this time, he did not panic. He breathed slowly, focused, and began writing. One answer, then another, not perfectly, but bravely. Days later, the results arrived. Adam stood there, afraid to look. Slowly, he opened the paper and froze. He had passed. Not the best student, not the highest grade, but something greater. He'd defeated his old self. He had become stronger. All in 24 hours. Remember this. Pressure does not destroy you. Pressure reveals you. Reveals your true power. Maybe today you still have time. Maybe today you still have a chance. But one day your 24 hours will arrive. The question is, will you be ready to awaken? If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English through powerful stories, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us on English with Moses, where every story makes you stronger and every word changes you. See you in the next story.